Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I keep my scalp healthy by using a deep cleansing scalp and hair scrub from Zionhealth. This is their Pear Blossom with sea salt detoxifying formula. This is what it looks like. Once you apply the product, it has a lightweight consistency with fine sea salt. I've already went ahead and washed my hair as the directions say to apply it to wet or damp hair. I went ahead and used my Kid Stitch microfiber towel scrunchies to remove some water after washing. Using a wide tooth comb, I separate my hair into two sections. Once I've made my part, I then like to go ahead and put the top half up using that hair towel scrunchie. With me being this far along in my stretch, I always reach for my water spray bottle while I'm applying any products to my hair to make sure my hair is saturated with water to prevent any breakage. You only need a dime size of this product because it lathers very well. Once I first apply it, I like to work the product in with my hands first and making sure I coat my hair from roots to ends. And as you guys can see, the more I work the product in, the more it lathers up into a foam. The sea salt helps gently remove scalp product buildup. Once the sea salt has dissolved, I like to reach for my shampoo invigorating brush to go ahead and massage my scalp, making sure I stimulate my blood circulation to promote healthy hair growth. Zionhealth provides healing from the earth. This deep cleansing scalp and hair scrub contains biotin, argan oil, vitamin E, and sweet almond oil, adding nourishing moisture and shine to dry overprocessed hair, which you guys know relaxed hair is very dry. I then go ahead and repeat the same steps with my front section of hair. I use my water spray bottle to add water to my roots. Any remaining product that's left on my hands, I go ahead and massage it into my hair, starting from the roots, working my way down to the mid-hair shaft. Once the water has been applied, this is how much product I use on each section. I focus it directly on my hairline as this is where my lace units are applied and typically where I have the most product buildup. Once the product has been applied to the perimeter of my front section, I then like to section my hair off down the middle and add more water to continue to massage the product in as it will lather up on its own without me even having to add any more product. Zionhealth products are cruelty-free, aluminum-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, and they're vegan with the exception of two products they carry, which is their lip balms and their keratin hair mask. Those are not vegan, but I really enjoy the Pear Blossom Sea Salt Scalp and Hair Scrub. It's a perfect fit for at-home spa days, and if you have dandruff, it may help clear your dandruff up and your scalp acne by balancing your scalp pH. Be sure to check the description box down below as I have a coupon code Jazzie30 that will save you 30% off at checkout if you want to purchase any of their products from their website. I apply this deep cleansing scalp and hair scrub, I rinse the product out and follow up with my deep conditioning treatment, continuing my entire wash day routine. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment section below what are some of your favorite hair masks, as I'm always looking for new ones to incorporate into my hair care routine. So let me know, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.